Okay, guys, I'm here with Ren again. My last video did not post because it was more than 50 minutes long. I had to add a number, but it didn't. I did not know anything, so I'm making one over now. Animal Hospital. I'm on recording right now. Recording. You can chat in chat. I'll answer in recording. You can chat. I'll answer in recording. Yeah. Wait. And you chat. Okay. Room 2. Okay, room 2, easy peasy lemon squeezy. We need real quick eye drops. Nah, bro, I'll do it. I'll do it. Yo, okay, y'all guys. This is on shift number 1, but I don't know if I can go any further because my battery's low-key low. Chris to tell. Dried eyes. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Good tip, every 2 patients in shift 1, the first patient needs, herbs, second patient needs, like about, eye drops, yeah. Plus, my bad for not recording because I was taking a break from YouTube. Wait, shall we heal? I just want to go home. Okay, I don't get it. Let's go. Like, boy, I'm not serving no damn ass. Okay. Oh my god, why am I now swearing? Okay. Yeah, bro, you dead already. You cooked. Oh, they did an animation. Yo, W animation. A W, bro. A W, bro. Okay, the new patient, you die. Let me check the camera first. Yeah, I don't know if they are actually it, but okay. Stamp photo. Yeah, he's normal. He's good. Do we have taser net yet? No, not yet. Bro, I really want to go in here, bro. A visitor just fainted. Oh, I stepped into the room. Oh, I accidentally just closed the shutters. Did you just throw the? Oh, okay. I don't care about that patient anyways. Oh, let's serve him. I can save her. Wait, hold up. I kill. I'll kill. Bro. Wait, look. Wait, I know, look. I can kill them with wrong medicine. Kill them with wrong medicine. Yeah. Okay, you're waiting. Oh, another anomaly. Ooh, okay. No, okay. Another anomaly. Another anomaly to kill. I bet, bro. I'm not looking at the photo. I'm gonna look first. Okay, you're like that. Good tip. Don't look, if they're anomaly, do not look into the picture. You have to look at it from first, from outside, not like inspect it, so you lose some sanity. Like, look. Okay, I cannot now. I'll be in room 1. Boy, you're gonna get the bad treatment. You know that? That's what I'm talking about. Like that, just like that. Boom. They say it's been a short wait. Okay, short wait. Bro, I'm taking care of street patients. I gotta end the video soon though. I probably ended at 10 minutes. Another patient in the tree. Y'all bet. Just like that. Give him the wrong treatment and then done. I don't care, but bro. Okay, did I just go in? Well, we got money? Do we have money, boy? Do we have money? Oh, okay. We need window. We need window. Did we just get poor? I did not even get anything, bro. I only got $6. I only got $6, bro. That's bad. Look. Okay. Philip Lee. Okay. I'm gonna end this in 10 minutes because I have to do my homework soon. So, Ren, make sure to subscribe to Ren Hashiro. I've always wanted to make him. I get sanity from checking in. AW, bro. AW, bro. You got. Yeah. You can. You can do it. I might need the Okay, yeah. The coffee's just absolutely gone. Yeah. You can. You ever wonder why people keep hiring new people? Never mind. All right, bet. I'm gonna check the cameras while I'll do that. I'm gonna go treat this boy like it's special treatment. Wait, we're on a teaser. No taser yet? Oh my god, screw that. Beacon does emergencies, bet. Okay, I'll do the emergencies. Oh, she's doing that. Okay, this is an easy one. If that girl that just joined us ruins it, I'm about to scream the hell out of my face, bro. Copy the sequence. Light blue, red, light blue, and light blue again. Easy light work. 2 does medical. I'll do check-in. Oh, I bet. Okay, okay, I did not know you have realistic hands and bones. Wait, Maple? Oh, I can't. I have to moonwalk back outside. Moonwalk. Yeah. There we go. Here's your treatment. Oh, I gotta end it in 2 minutes now, bro. Screw that. A big 8. 8 right now. It's 8 right now. I can't do that much, but thanks. I will be in room 2. Room 2. Okay, I can't do it. They can do 8. Okay. Okay, I'll do that. Coffee. My boy needs coffee. Let me drink it on here. Oh my god, wait, hold up. Coffee. Okay, I don't care. I was about to give him that. Oh, god damn. Alright, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I don't know if it's exactly like 10 minutes, but my battery's looking low right now at 11. But bye, y'all. Bye, Ren. Ren vid's over. Bye, Ren vid's over.